I also have finally cooked something. Very good Trimoo favorite food. You all come with saprolot. A truly delicious vegetarian specialties, the last beautiful day on earth. Well, soon we'll change things. It's clear our three heroes. What major changes that go hand in hand, but still nobody can guess at this time. 15 Exa Retslav. How do you feel? This question was the first in a new perception of life Alepto Retslav, or of what it is now. Look here. Rebelkov the old jerk, is its metallic response. The angry, what, his ever more bosses to hear the former Retslav, he is so overwhelmed by his new self and the new parameters. He can now only once rather rotate its metallic head around its own axis. Ooey, ooey, he rattles it. This new facility, he moves it like a break dancer, a circumstance the more Rebelkov Pavel brings up the wall. Retslav roared the pull yourself together. Man. Give me the names and ranks. Quote. The addressed Exaklas robot is now in silence, but can rotate through his wrists. He replies. Please sir. Shefshin. I am he was Retslav. Alepto. Exa class. Model M1 Anthro. Exa Retslav he is I sir. Ho ho ho. Quote. Then collapses the machine goes into power-saving position. Tylon Abindroth has logged in via COM and prompted this action by control command. I have to reorient its communication matrix, to fine-tune the musculoskeletal system, proclaim it. There is still hope. His behavior is typical. Imagine that some games before. Without breathing, tasting, smelling, they move without muscle power alone, but by the impulse of thought. All the features make up a biological organism are rationalized away in a day. Rebelkov shakes his head. The technician continues unmoved. That stupid sounds I expected, but what has just now given of himself is more than I do. These are highly human traits. Rebelkov now bursting at the collar. People like. This is useless junk. He's unable to grasp a single clear thought. Quote. Theo Noctios Plus, all the while subtly in the background, is expected to help Abindroth. I can see the previous result also expandable. Just like the guys from the hardware. He has clearly said that he was Alepto Retslav at least. Quote. In addition, he has recognized you immediately, my dear Rebelkov. Were transferred to me. This means that long-term information storage in the causation of the robot. His consciousness, at least one good piece of it has been transported. Quote. Because I can only laugh, the general growls derogatory. Well, how go the heck now? I have a tight schedule. Retslav, the former I mean, was firmly clamped in my current project. One of the greatest. I would say almost regal importance. Dr. Abindroth answers unimpressed. Well, we will be holding question and answer sessions. Psychologists are very hot on the job. Since Retslav now needs no more sleep as the whole 24/7, there is no problem constantly new psychodocs herzuschaffen. There's enough of the variety. Rebelkov intervenes, from your talk I've already Abindroth. They have exactly 1 week. Then there's the decision I served. Hop, or top. Abindroth raises his shoulders and your palms facing up. He is expressing no objection to. I'm now really more important things to do, continues Rebelkov. We'll see you in 7 days, and he turns around and leaves the room. I really like you send over a squadron of psychos, says Theo plus Noctios the mecha tech Tylon Abindroth. At the same time, however, I would advise fellow Kolrust to intensify its research. Because I have a feeling that the good old transplant medicine bet is less out, as accepted by you. Quote. What are these figures, rattles the new Retslav staring intensely interested in the round psychologian on the other side of the table. So stupid they are, so you know this first observation of your counterpart, a robot of Exa class to ignore. Alepto Retslav, right, one of the nameless wonders of the round. Ha. Ho, he gasps for air. Lol. Same time it must be determined around the corner. Hoo. Quote. What did he call me? Alepto Retslav. That was something. Man over there, look out. He lets his new machine running the strangest movements. He sings metallic roo, waha. Wuwuw. The psychology department makes taking notes. They blink violently with your comms. The apparent Hop TM share this force, a man named Dr. Nebula Wasabi directed again addressed the boisterous machine. Now you tell us first time of your order sir. I have heard them with the most important tasks are entrusted. Quote. Ja ja ja, boom. Boom, boom, that is has voted. The blow us all away. Rebelkovchen has him in charge. But now, today it's different. Gel Exalane, both of us, we understand. 1 + 1 is 1. He hugged himself or the machine your human self. Psychologists look at with raised eyebrows. From their faces you can read. This will be a tough nut to crack. A borderline case. Before you sit neither a person nor a machine rather than an entity that perceives your environment just as a joke. All seriousness is gone. She does not care where they are and who your counterparts are. It deals with himself, happy and trolls has absolutely no desire to work and bread. The right ant has since tired, he is the best. Yes show. Exalane how nervous she is. Gasping for breath and always nice. Lol. Quote. Like what? Energy saving mode, so we press on it again. Try. Then he collapses. Dr. Wasabi says in the round. It's the 7th time today. This self-disconnections are not a good sign. 2 more days, replied the previously maligned psychologist. What we say Dr. Abindrath. Great preliminary step look different. Nebula Wasabi frowns. We are taking this thing seriously as compared to too little. The only name of the former major sporadically over the lips, excuse me, is the speaker as his old boss. Quote. I suggest we take a chance on it. We have collected much useful data. Takes time to evaluate. Then we can deal with it. For work is taken care of. Quote. So all Tylon Abindrath inform the subject ready for the confrontation is. Psychological side of the possibilities are exhausted. You either needed a lot more time, or do not know what to do with him. That's your problem. Quote. 2 days later enters a Hekgenetic Rebelkov the same space. Get him clean. Quick, we put it behind us. Tylon Abindrath pushes a button, a door to the adjoining room opens and looks out, so unusual it sounds like a cheerful game-ready robot. No sooner has he seen that the general release Tr Tet, ho-ho, his former chefchen. Oh la la, how sad he looks out of the laundry. Exalane see him in you, who has also looked ever better. He, and of which he has. We, he, she, it used to be accepted commands. Quote. He shakes his survey course. Rebelkov cooks. Retzlav. This is your last chance. For heaven's sake, pull yourself together at last, otherwise you will be locked up. Quote. Wow, barked well. Equal bursts Biak your pump combines bursts. Our sensors indicate a rise in body temperature. Critically. Ho, waste. Mob. Quote. The Major General of His Majesty Queen Hypatia, the First. Pavel Rebelkov rises. He looks in turn Tylon Dr. Abindrath and Professor. Dr. Theo plus Noctios forcefully into the eyes. Then he points his arm towards the metal bucket and growls. Vex Grave, 16, the video conference since Aunt Ravenash's speech. The school has become secondary. Henley is the very next day, early in the secretariat of Hippolyta Prank snowed in, as soon as possible to the switching over to get to his home system. Now it was time. Even his 2 best friends, he may bring. A fact which pleased him very much. Unfortunately, everything should turn out differently than expected. Of this he has at this time but still no clue. What he knew is that there must be a record. Even the most urgent responses are obtained only after 120 minutes on average. It works as follows. The packet is sent to the accelerator ring, where he goes out with a maximum of 60 minutes late. The transmission in the area considerably shortened tunnel will then take about half an hour local time. For the answer from the other side. India is the same. That is in the best of cases it is in just over an hour. Raring to make our 3 heroes right at this moment in the conference room. They dart swiftly across the yard over to the directorate building. Henley beam, good thing you're doing, relieved. Otherwise I have to sit all alone in there. Also, my mother who is very excited you are. Quote. How do you know us, asks Patchara Pechabun. Also Svinyonish his head turned towards Henley. The transfers to India are extremely expensive and usually only for the government, press or companies. My father told me about it. Says the young diplomat's daughter. Henley nods. Yes, that's right. Somehow it has managed to still my father, that I bring through 1 SMS per month with 140 characters. But he also told me that these are checked sporadically on military channels to the news. I will pull myself together so. Quote. No clue how this is video conferencing. In any case, because I get to more information. Report to 140 characters in a conspiracy with a time lag of 1 month is impossible. The more I think about it, the more I realize that the conference is connected with a large question mark. Patchara he is encouraging. We try that now just, yes. Ow. Always try. Now. Svinonish chatters in between. He is very excited. Back at the end of the round is the conference room to recognize. A camera is painted on the door. A strictly conservative dressed woman with short red hair stubble is becoming a communications holding tray in hands. Who is it? Svin whispers like, look very bad, you do, he is not mistaken. The lady looks at the 3 students with a friendly smile. Good morning. Dear children. My name is Helga Rottweil. Patchara lowers the shoulders. Svin looks as if he got a bucket of water on his face. Unfazed, he continues Rottweil wife. Well, one of you must be the young prince to Henley Westerberg, right? Henley raises a finger. Aha, says Helga. And what makes you two doing here? Svinonish draws a question mark pout. He was too surprised by this unexpected rebuff. Patchara responds little touches. Hippolyta Hoax has allowed us to be here at this desk. Helga lady looks at you with pleasure. This cheeky girl then, is the famous Patchara Pecha Boone, snaps back. Yes, the lovely Margot has already told me that you have no manners. What do you think you're here talking about them in this way with me? Quote. But you asked me but peace, be still. You brat. I want you now time to familiarize yourself with the facts. Quote. The young Westerberg get this opportunity only because of the fact that his father held a certain position over at Indie System. Do you know how much effort this causes a message? In no case is there with your pure. Quote. The only one who will be there I am. Helga Rottweil, personal assistant to the Major General of Her Majesty the First Hypatia. I'll go with the highest self-talk. Patchara's jaw drops down. Now to you. Pecha Boone. Your conduct is unheard of, the nerve. If you have to grumble go for it. It's best to go directly to that person Pavel Rebelkov. Tell him I sent you. Patchara stands there like a wet poodle. Henley also has no proper answer this time. What to do against these 12 years of rabid fury 50 years? It's a shock. According to this tongue lashing. Helga turned to Prince Henley Rottweil in a good mood. So, if you want to follow me, the two go in, and Patchara Svinonish the Ruba stay out of your mind back in gear. No 15 minutes later the door is already up again. Rottweil rattling towards Henley. For this banal chatter and expensive video conferencing. Where the weather is nice. I've already met some people, how touching. Quote. You write the behind the ears. Boy. I will personally ensure that you never get a line. That you can forget from now. Henley responds as follows. It is the best that occurs to him after the defeat. I am a 12-year-old boy. I just wanted to see me that my parents, wife Rottweil. Thank you, that you have looked after me so nice. Rottweil looks at him angrily. Then you just snaps. You're welcome, and swaggers back as the first course, over to the warden's office. Svinonish pulls a face behind you. He sticks out his tongue and wiggles his hands beside his head. He wanted to put your one leg. But soon he is also in the mood on the bottom. Like the other two, he shuffles back with head hanging over into the common room next to the cafeteria. What are your vital information is now worth? It is exasperating. Here people are at stake. Pawking innocent. What happens next? An idea has since rapidly, 17, trip to vex what sits there together for an idol in the canteen. Our 3 heroes put their heads together. In between Henley muttering again and again I have over and unique opportunity, then, from behind. Unexpectedly. The following announcement. Excuse me if I ask your forgiveness, she is startled. Is it a spy? No other than that everything Mikkel Silva is the best of moods behind you. He uses a metaphor in the currently popular slang SVIN. No one had noticed him and yet he is now grinning in front of your table, disheveled as ever. Then he says. I would have someone there for you, please what, says Henley surprised. So you want to go over to the Indie, do you, Mikkel continues. I have no idea why and it is solely up to you, but I guess you're the only 3 stars for good reason together here RUMLM melt conspiratorially in the canteen. If then a whisper. I have over for me are all eliminated clarities. Henley wants to answer but just someone else is faster. Small to you, babbles Svinonish, how will you help us? Ha ha ha. Exactly, but it is very important, because you're right. Henley patting the wrist of the Ruba he suggested him to take back to itself. Then something occurs to him. Yes, it's true actually. I'm over there, what to do? Mikkel Silva. What is your uncle again for a living? Quote. Exactly, my dear uncle, the Machine City leads on top of the Vex. Moreover, the good old knows everything and everyone in the entire NEF raw indie system. If you can get across one, it's him. Quote. The three dissenters look at each other knowingly. Svinjonish is practically on the Vex. Encouraged by this response, Mikkel now brings before his true concern. To be honest, eyes too easy. They are smarter than me, but what are they doing here in Robotech, because I can learn a lot more with my uncle up. Quote. It still takes a while to the tests, which does not matter where we have our knowledge. I'll always come back. Not an issue. Quote. The young diplomat's daughter strikes a similar tone. There already is some truth in it. More than just a dream. I could download all the material ourselves. You do not need teachers to learn. We are asking each other off. Quote. Then she looks over to his colleague species Ruba. Lieber Svin, believe me, even so it is perhaps better if you lead at home. Svinjonish explodes visually. He looks as if he has resorted to an electrical outlet. His short purple hair stands upright. They all stare at him now, then begins his fireworks. No. Ni alas. Svinjonish the Ruba comes with it. I can also learn how you Kamal see. Ravenosh dear aunt without just Svinjonish important. With, communicated it in any case. Please, Pachala, please, thank you and Mikkel Henley. Yes, indeed. Quote. The latter two Pachara to see evil. This has immediately feel guilty. Look Svin, which is very dangerous, it is dangerous no matter who want to come help as basta, plappert the addressee. All diplomacy is now in vain, is overruled anyway you long ago. She admits defeat. Well, maybe it's good if you're here. We will always have to laugh a little. Svin locks on the mouth and eyes, he croaks. Ooh, you think I joke character. Ah, Svinjonish harder and faster than you. Juhu. Now Patchara completely devastated. She said sheepishly. You know, I've never meant it. How can you? Her eyes are moist. Svinjonish she immediately takes in his arms. But wait a powerful. We all go with. 4 in number, Lotsa then, from this great. Henley moved his hands soothingly. Sure we fly all 4. Patchara is the teacher. I directs the pilot. Svinjonish special projects and Mikkel's communications assistant, to this nebulous prison guards. Svinjonish clucks his tongue and claps his hands. Exactly so he would have said it, because if he could. Now it goes to the preparations. They take him in 3 minutes. He needs only his calm. Yes, of completeness, it should be mentioned here that the Lotus effect for Ruba clothing on the market. It cleans itself, like the swimsuit that is dry when you climb out of the water. Only his aunt he has what he's clicking together. No problem. Rubsh a minute and everything is in the bag. Patchara has to do most. It is still the only one who can muster a compatible spaceturb in orbit. Because, of diplomatic relations. Of course your father has questions, but these quickly disperse when she explains to the Prince Henley Westerberg also on this field trip will be there. It disguises the whole action as practically harmless school trip. Henley's racer is soon filled up ready, stowed the protein pills, liquid ready to start synths. Interplanetary flights can take days. Move easily between the seats of the passengers, enough room for a meandering course. This leads to social cab behind. Without going into details like. There are more comfortable, but this setup works. The next day after school. It's time. All 4 legs come together at the well-known square in front of the College of Applied Sciences Alanis. Going door. Unlocked, cries Svinjonish. Henley presses the button. With a set of jump in the young Ruba. He sits at the back. Mikkel before him, who nods approvingly. Then Patchara Pecha Boone, and the very front of the pilot. Henley. Patchara plugged into the cradle and your comm programming the onboard computer, to your turb above the geostationary orbit. Henley started his Rocktar. Unspectacular as the small flykas he drives off. Then open from the nanotube FL gel an elegant vehicle lifts off propeller gearboxes. They spiral up higher and higher. Liporo of you as small and inconspicuous. Shortly thereafter. The propeller are folded into the wing and this shortened to half the span. Ultrosen, the internal combustion engine in the rear of the machine, turns on. Comes with full thrust it towards geostationary turb. Someone parked specific yells, "Hello Juhuhuhu," since the front it is already visible. Turb place Liporo Pita I, the gateway to the capital planet of the system Ra, the flights to be hanged Energy Propulsion Lab and the transfer station for passengers Deepjet. Unfazed by the atmosphere, Henley's Rocktar pursued his way into the middle of the shiny new Stax Turb class. Docked in T-2 minutes, rattling the onboard computer. 180 seconds later you are hardwired to Patchara's Spaceturb. It looks very impressive from what has been a powerful engine because now placed around you. Start in T-60 seconds, Svinonish bursting with tension. Mikkel deals rather with his calm. Shortly before that time, however, even the cool budding Robo-Tech puts them aside. He knows now it will be yeasty. The turb starts its engine. The vehicle shot them with the X times the normal gravitational acceleration. Pressed into its seat, Svin now shows her teeth. Gigantic, to leave at this speed the Trivi. Time to look around. Aha! Light in the distance. Yet unattainable. The Indy. Henley's home system. Behind you, the falling Trivi because, outside the far right. He could be. Tunnel Gamma I, the ring accelerator tunnel across the room. Svin's eyes are moist. To see clearly now the left of the green diamond Ra system, the young Trimoa Le Monde, his homeland. From the water planet, with its supercontinent EERX, no trace, wrong direction. Farther out. We do not want to vex, inside. This mysterious stone ball without self-rotation, the A side in the fire, the other in the cold of space. And exactly on the zero meridian to the equator, warm western, eastern cold, dark place called the Machine City, home of the most important and most secure prison, an entire solar system. Everyone is excited about the complex, the robots and the prisoners. All, except of course Mikkel, the nephew of the Kuz, the operator. This strange dropouts Nef Silva. For him it's almost a homecoming. 18 Nef Silva hatch, traveling so pleasant, Svinonish thinks as amusing with two studs in the ear. He trundles light, while he gently caresses the interior of the stylish Rocktars. Then suddenly he is startled. He unstoppered themselves, others see him with a question mark on what now already back faces. Ruba dissolved starts young. We need names, he screams, important name is missing for vehicle immediately. So always be on Trimoa Rubas. Suggestions, thank you from going to fast. With wide eyes he takes his friends into the visor. Henley answered first. Again for the record. You want that we invent a name for this little spaceship? Yes, yes, but hey really important, replied the person addressed. Please release announcement. Henley beautiful, ooh, groans of, I wish I'd fall so creative, anyone one of you what, but Patchara Pecha Boone and Mikkel Silva only draw eyebrows and shrug their shoulders. Svinonish thinks. However, hard to turn a blind eye while he's unknifed. Then suddenly he sits on a beam of delight. I have it very easy. Name found to be good. Let us do Flitzer Wespley, fast like this and from Henley. Yes hooray. He is happy as a lark and begins eagerly to wiener. The other three look at each other knowingly, then says Mikkel only. So be it, and so it happens that our heroes are now in place in the road Wespley Henley's Expeed Rocktar. Diligently pursued its course of this. All the planets around you are gone now. For the Ra shines all the more and also the 0.92 light years away. India has gained power. Sometime later. Mikkel is active. Soon we are in communication range. I mean in the area where one can expect in a reasonable time with an answer. 40 seconds i.e. within a half minutes an answer. That should go. Quote. So I then times by ringing me to vex, he says, at least we need to know how we go down. We can park the turb above, well, we shall in times. Because of the delay time is 15 minutes later that you go down along with turb vertical, straight into Spacedock I Machine City North. Nef Maximum Self had made it clear that it is far too conspicuous when a turb moors above the geostationary Spacedock Vex I Alpha. The fact is mostly empty. Little visit, except via high-security transports or loads of discarded mechanical robot Deepjet newcomers. This direct, ground-based landing is only possible because Patchara Turb has inflated a new class of stacks and the new Expeed Rocktars are compatible. During the landing, Wespley thus goes vertical position, the drive and the built turbultrosine engine then softly land the spaceship. This is possible even in a zero-like atmosphere on the VEX. Mikkel transmits the exact coordinates directly into the navigation computer. This is possible because it has previously authenticated Patchara his comm. Landing process is initiated in T5 minutes, rattles the onboard computer. Well, then the roller coaster ride is now lost, Henley said in his capacity as a pilot. Strapped to Askew, like we all stare at the ceiling, first, you continue to race but on the gray surface of the planet. Pabulum. Yes, but it is left glistening light. Turn right pitch dark. Then, for the first time to recognize what is new. Lights. A gloomy complex right on the edge. What inhospitable a place. A self-powered island in the desert. There's enough energy here. It ranges from the system partition to shut down the outside and to maintain the required biosphere and recycling cycle alive. We now need to Wespley. Patchara is slightly dizzy but she hides it so well there. From somewhere behind a faint oh-ho, so can be heard. Only on the monitors for our young heroes to recognize what is going on beneath you. You can see the hangar door that opens up and swallows your vehicle. Bright light surrounds them now. The door closes on you again. Monitors with red writing in the cockpit remain light up all around. Now, the lobby is again put under pressure. Countless tubes pumping air into the building. Soon, the monitors go green and show normal atmosphere made on. Situated power to Juhu go, barks Svinjonish. But before he did so anchored Henley waits until the landing of fixed ladders on his companions are. Only then he pushes the button. Svinjonish jumps with a backflip from his seat and landed safely on the Vexboden. He rubs his eyes in amazement and shining on just as easily as on Timo Vex. Here is it. I like it very much. You've Vexababble. The other three now climb down without trouble. You enter one after the innermost planet of the system Ra. Only now you see that there is already someone waiting for you. A dangerous-looking man with a shaven temples, mohawk and wire-rimmed glasses stands in the entrance area. He is so he must be, the mysterious jailer. This strange hermit of the Vex coup. Nef Silva. The somber appearance shakes his head. What are you doing here again, he asks, his 11-year-old nephew. I was hoping to be rid of you for a while, Mikkel wide grins and says, turning to his friends. I can imagine. Nef Silva, my dear sir uncle, at Henley there is still only Patchara and skepticism times before, he just looks a bit different than the average Philistine at the mid-40s. So you would rather see him with suspicious eyes narrowed. Nef is about to break the ice and push out a greeting, as to him the curious Svinjonish Jahapilt comes in between. Hem ha hum, how you look, says the repellent, his body takes on a slightly hinted flight entertainment. Then he asks sheepishly. You're dangerous. Nef takes young Ruba targeted, clearly surprised. Holy crap. That I may live to see it. Galactic Svinjonish personally. Yes. I've heard a lot about you. Quote. Three friends looking at each other. How does he know? Oh whatever. Svinjonish but blocks out of his mouth on a completely different reason. Something he has to protest. Nef, in high spirits. When you go to our prisoners cruelly. The isolation drives all joy from your bodies. Probably why your performance at the highest level has been identified as useful and were incorporated into the TV entertainment package. Svinjonish does not have any fear, but he looks aghast. Nef on, he wants to just get rid of something, then went to the coup. It was the first time I like something like a laugh heard from this block have, at least among those at some point come back out. For the other, oh just forget it, quickly rises Svin the index finger, shaking it, just like his head. No never. Now, he blathers, only Svinjonish, no galaxy. Ruba has no 02 names. Many have only one total. Svinjonish the individual who is without galactic basta. Quote. Although this finding is extremely important for Svinjonish, so Nef does it exactly right. He ignored it. The question why he even knows of its presence, it can also go unanswered. He turns instead prefer Patchara Petch a boon to Henley and Prince of Westerberg. Well, what do we have here for 2 hops? Nobody comes up here voluntarily, with the least over there. He points to his wild nephew. Have you been up to what? Instead of replying to View and Patchara Henley uncomfortable. Still, you have taken too little faith in this dark prison guards. Fortunately, you come to the aid Mikkel. This is Patchara Pecha Boon, he began without preamble. And Henley to Westerberg over from the Indy system, thereupon the latter NEF looks closely at times. Westerberg. Well, there was something that kill, yes. I remember. Your father was recently here with us. Henley nods. Has made me a very patent's impression of Westerberg, said NEF continues. Although our government for whatever reasons, different looks, he wanted to know how we handle it around here. That's right. I'm coming seem that it is more like over there. These rumors Machine City too to keep your Prairie Moon exo stubbornly. Quote. This is the first time that anyone has mentioned from his home Indy Moon. Henley was even been there once already. He has visited the arid Andes trotting along with his parents. The dominant species of the world he is also still in your memory. Who could forget? Impressive are the ETA Aviation with up to 5 meters in wingspan. You could easily carry a man, but unfortunately they are still untamed. It is impossible to train these proud birds. In captivity they are quickly absorbed and before you can enslave you rather die. There is therefore no one had succeeded you to train dressage some stupid number, much less than you demote animal transport. So you continue to live independently in the vast steppe. They serve both the long-distance travelers, a trip to another planet is still seen as such, as an attraction. At the same time you decimate your big appetite by the abundant marsupials on the exo. One could also say they are the custodians of the countryside of the Andes trot. NEF continues. As mentioned I have no idea why the hold are so little about your father.